terrors. He set me free from all my terrors. He set me free. I will bless the Lord at all times. Praise of Him is always in my mouth. In the Lord my soul shall make its boast. The humble shall hear and be glad from all my terrors. He set me free. Glorify the Lord with me. Together let us praise His name. I sought the Lord and He answered me. From all my terrors He set me free. From all my terrors He set me free. Look toward Him and be radiant. Let your faces not be abashed. This lowly one called the Lord heard and rescued him from all his distress. From all my terrors He set me free. The angel of the Lord is encamped around those who fear Him to rescue them. Taste and see that the Lord is good. Blessed the man who seeks refuge in Him. From all my terrors He set